Good morning, all of you. Dear students, welcome to online classes. Today, we all are assembled to do your SST class. Myself, Namita, I'm going to teach you chapter 10, that is Beautiful Homes. In previous class, I have finished whole chapter, and today I would like to give you some assignment and CW. So please see on the screen and copy down all the things. You know that your topic is beautiful home. So I am giving the question and answer of beautiful homes, and I will also provide value based questions of this chapter. Dear students, today is the last class of this week because you are knowing that Deepavali is coming and your classes is going to be suspended due to festivals. I hope you all will enjoy your festivals because from Diwali to Chhat there is a festive season and each and everyone will enjoy all the festival in this COVID-19. So dear students, please take out your pencil and your notebook to copy down the questions and answers. Dear student, see the questions and answer. Answer the following questions. Number 1, how do you keep your home clean? Answer, we should sweep our house and wipe the floor with wet cloth. Now, wet cloth, the drain should be covered and cleaned regularly. Question number 2. Who is responsible for garbage removal in your area? Answer is Patna Municipal Corporation is responsible for garbage removal in your area. Number 3. Mention 3 places that can become breeding grounds of mosquito. Answer, 3 places that can become breeding grounds of mosquitoes are: number 1, garbage in our front of our house; number 2, cooler with stagnant water; number 3, broken toys, pots, tire, etc. on the terrace filled with water. Now see question number 4. Question number 4 is explain briefly the 3 R's of garbage disposal. The 3 R's of garbage disposal are: reduce the waste material. Next, number 2, reuse the things like plastic and bottle. Number 3, recycle paper, glass, clothes, etc. Come to question number 5. Important points must be kept in mind if you want to keep a pet. Question mark. Answer, to love them, keep them clean. Number 2, feed them properly. Number 3, have a separate place for them. Now come to next slide. Your next slide is value-based question. Number 1. Have many responsibilities towards parents, home, school, and neighborhood. Write your responsibility under the following situation. A. Home. When you get up in the morning, I should clean my room. Answer is when you get up in the morning, I should clean my room. Number 2. For parents, when you come back from school, answer I should help my parents in the household works. Number C. For school, when you see somebody scribbling on the wall, answer I should instantly inform any teacher about it. Number D. Neighborhood. When you see somebody throwing garbage on the street, answer I should ask him not to do this. Question number 2. You know how Raghav for cares for his pet. CASE, not case, it is care. CARE, care. You know how Raghav care for his pet. Why will you do? What will you do if you see an injured bird? Answer. I will immediately apply antiseptic cream on the injured part of the bird. Now come to B. Children throwing a stone at a scary cat. Stray cat. Answer. I will immediately stop them for doing this. Now your value based question is finished, and again I have shown you a beautiful picture of villa. Such a nice picture. Everyone wants that they have this type of house. So student, our chapter is finished. You learned many things about beautiful homes. In these beautiful homes, you also learn about your surroundings, how you will behave with your pets, animals, and how you will clean your society, how you will dispose the garbage. Like this, you all know about the surrounding and about the beautiful homes. So, I am finishing the chapter, and I hope that you learn more thing from this chapter, and you will write all the things in your SWCW copy, in SST copy, and you will learn it by heart. So student, now the class is over and I am give you a homework. Homework is copy the CW in copy. Copy the CW in copy. Number 2, read the chapter. Number 3, learn the questions and answer. And I hope that you will do your work properly. I will wish you a happy Deepavali, a happy Chhath. I hope you will enjoy your festival and again you will come back for your online classes in refresh mood. So, thanking you. We will meet in next week. Thanking you. Goodbye.